Good morning. This Tuesday, I'm going to explain to you the benefits of using a value-added IT service provider like W.A.C.D to handle all of your computer needs. For starters, we actually put real coffee in these mugs. My name is Dr. Phil, and this Tuesday is highly caffeinated. The network cable. About in the country. Internet slowly. A VPN connect. There's no hope. My name is Dr. Phil, and this is your Tech Tip Tuesday. Okay, let's start out with the basics. What do we provide? We provide computer repair. And as you can see, we repair Apple products and PC products. We don't discriminate between the two. We don't show favoritism over one over the other. We actively use both in day-to-day operations. We like both computers. That is, first and foremost, our basic function as a company. We also sell computer hardware. We sell Apple products, Microsoft products, and tablets, as well as printers, although we don't repair those. And selling these, it's not just your average computer. These are business grade computers that we sell. We sell these also with warranties on them, 4-year warranties typically, that cover parts for the first year and labor for free, and then parts are free for the remaining 2 to 4 years, depending on the warranty, and then you just charge for labor. These products are very durable and they last a lot longer than something you would buy at your electronics retailer store, because these are built with better quality material within them, and because of the warranties we offer that add value to the computer or to the tablet that you purchase. You don't have to live with a stuck key on your keyboard or a crack slowly webbing itself down your screen, or different types of hardware. I'm sorry, I'm high on caffeine right now, so I just want to let you know that we will take care of your product after the fact through the value we add in business grade computers, as well as the warranties they offer, that they come with. And we can get you new computers, grade A used and refurbished computers, and also off-lease computers. So these are fundamentally at the core the basic functions: computer repair and computer sale. So let's dive into some other areas that we provide benefit to you as the customer.